Hey traders, thanks for stopping by. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the market and what I think is kind of happening right here. And I'm going to show you some examples of what's happened before that look kind of like what we're seeing in the market right now. So what we have right here in the market, and I'm going to kind of zoom in just a little bit just so you can get a good idea of what I'm talking about. Okay. So this is the most recent action in the market, and you're seeing it's pretty choppy. We had this big gap down, this big move up, and then a gap down, and then a move up, and then a gap down right here, all right? So it's very choppy, and it's difficult to trade. But what I'm seeing here is that this is a potential bottom forming, all right? Now I want to show you bottoms that have happened in the last 2 years, all right? And to show you that most of them came with some choppiness, all right? So first and foremost, we had this choppiness here that led to an upside move. We had this little dip here, and it was choppy. You see an up move, a down move, up, sideways. Finally, we moved up, all right? Same thing kind of happened over here. Choppiness right here, and then we moved up. Same thing happened here. This is a big dip, and then as you can see, we bounced, we dipped, we bounced, we dipped. All these days, you can't see it quite as well because I can't zoom in these past areas here, but this is a lot of choppiness back here. Up, down, one day up, the next day down, the next day up, the next day down, and so on and so forth. But what did it lead to? It led to an upside move. Same thing over here, very choppy right here, upside move. Same thing over here, choppy, upside move. All right, so that's kind of what I'm seeing here in the market. Same thing happened recently too. If you look right here, we've got some choppiness right here. All right, you can see an up move, down move, up, down, and then we finally took off right there. All right, so bottoms tend to look like this, and they tend to look choppy. Now, is this guaranteed that this is going to bounce the market? No, but we are seeing similar signs to what's happened previously. The other thing I want to mention too is that we've got this support. All right, this is previous resistance that was right here, there, here, right there. We broke over it right here, used it as support here. As you can see, the last couple of lows that we saw are bouncing right around this same area. All right, and you have to give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls. All right, pretty much always, because the market is spending so much more time going up than it does going down. All right, that's just a fact. It's not an opinion. It's just a fact. Look at any market over the last 100 years, and the market is heading up. So what you have here is this big uptrend here, and now this is really just a minor retracement. If you really think about it from a long-term perspective, this is such a bullish move right here in the market, and we barely had any dips. I mean, the dips we had were basically sideways trading here, such a minor dip here, very minor dip here, and now we're just seeing basically this is the biggest dip that we've seen, but we're still such a bull trend right now. Okay, so you have to give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls. Does this guarantee that we are going to bounce here? No. Please do not mistake this for some kind of guarantee or anything like that. It just means the probabilities are in favor of the bulls, and because of the reasons that I've mentioned here. Now, if we get some kind of big gap down this week and close below this level, then we can kind of rethink our thoughts on the market. That would be pretty bad. I mean, I don't want to say bad or good, because when the market heads lower, you can always short or buy puts if you're an options trader like myself personally. So it's not going to be bad or good, but the market would head lower most likely if it, and a pretty big leg lower, if it broke this level right here and close below about 2,800 on the S&P 500. So that's what I'm looking at here in the market. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out to me on YouTube or on my website. I'd be more than happy to chat with you. So what we're looking at here is the real-time portfolio tracker that tracks all of our trades that we make here at thetradinganalyst.com and alert to our members in real time via text. All of these entries are sent out to paying clients via text message in real time. All of the exits sent out to members in real time via text message. Not only that, we have a watch list, so members are very well prepared for these trades ahead of time, so you know exactly what to expect and what we're looking for. And you can see these trades have the average win almost double the size of the average loss. You can see the total gains here are $239,000, more than $239,000 since July of 2018. So about 10 months right here, we're looking at $239,000 gain on this model portfolio that tracks all of our trades here that we make here at thetradinganalyst.com. So what I want you to do is scroll below this video if you came here from StockTwits, and if you've ever bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money, or you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, then you need to join this premium membership community, because you can instantly reduce your losing trades and get started with the #1 options trading service on the planet. So what are you going to get when you sign up and you join today? First and foremost, you're getting these easy to follow real-time trade alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone, just like I mentioned earlier. Here's a few texts that we send out to members here. If you were a member at that time, you would have been able to profit alongside of us. The next thing you're getting access to is the real-time portfolio tracker. I showed you this earlier. That's just a little snippet of it. It actually also shows our open positions with the stop losses, the targets, as well as other things as well. And the reason we show you this portfolio tracker, the reason we give you access to this, is our way of being 100% completely transparent with you. Apparently there's a lot of other services out there who don't track their trades and don't reveal their results to their paying clients, which is weird, but plain and simple, the reason they don't do that is because they don't get results. And we do get results, and we're happy to share them with you. All right? So that's what you're getting access to. You're also getting access to the professional trading watch list. The majority of our trades that we make come from the watch list that we make and distribute to members. And this is our way of preparing you ahead of time for what to expect. So we're not just throwing you alerts that are being pulled out of thin air. We're preparing ahead of time so you're knowing exactly what to expect, what we're looking for, and why we're looking at it. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. And this is your opportunity to get inside the head and see how a profitable trader thinks. In their head, what they look for, how they talk about the market, what they're looking at on the charts, and so on and such forth. So that's your opportunity to learn from me and how I see the market. Next thing you're getting access to is a bonus, and this is access to our complete education library. We've got over 20 videos in there, all designed to help you make money in the market. We're not throwing out unnecessary information. Each video is very important to your success. Most importantly, in these videos, you're going to get our Options Accelerator course. If you're new to options, you're unsure about options, you're scared of options, or maybe you just want to know how to do options the right way, and this is your opportunity to do that. The next thing you're getting access to is I'm going to teach you in these videos my full strategies that I use to pull money out of the market on a consistent basis. And that alone is worth 10, 20 times what you're paying here for the membership, because you're getting a real valuable strategy that actually works to make money in the market. And a lot of people have a hard time finding real viable strategies. So you're going to want to get that strategy in the education library. So scroll down here and you're going to see everything you're going to get. the alerts, the portfolio tracker, the watch list, the member videos, the education library, and so much more. You're also getting access to me virtually 24/7 in our live chat box that you can reach me on, or you can respond to any of the text alerts or via email. I'm very responsive, and I really care about each and every one of my members' success. So this is a total value of over $2,395. And for a limited time only, you can get in for just $787 for the entire year. This is the lowest price we've ever offered on the annual membership. So if you want to start making winning trades, click that button there, and you're going to be taken to the 100% secure checkout page. Scroll down here, enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure there's a valid phone number that you're going to receive the buy and sell alerts on. Choose a password, enter in your billing information here, or you can check out with PayPal by clicking that button and then this button here. Either option is totally up to you. Once you do that, click this button here and you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about today. Most importantly, you are getting real-time profitable trade alerts that are going to be sent to your cell phone via text message that are going to finally allow you to make consistent returns in the market. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you inside the membership and helping you achieve your goals. I will see you in there.